Alright, so I'm going to show you today all of the toys that I got for my cockatiel. The first toy, I got it a people that were the breeders, that they really like these. Little lattice rope with the bell at the end. And it's got 4 jingle bells, or 4 lattice balls. Okay, so that's a really good toy. Then, you can see that's the cockatiel thing. As you know, I'm getting a cockatiel in a few days. And it has that little thing on it. Just a little wood part. And then, I made this out of a toilet paper roll and some tissue paper and some bird safe glue. And it opens up at the top. And it has these little pieces of wood, corn husk, and some other stuff, I don't know what it is. It's a shreddable toy, and I call it the birdie pinata, and I have a little hook that I put right here, so you can pull off all the stuff. The stuff that comes with this, I got this at a store called Ollie's. I kind of already pulled it apart, but it's got the corn husk and that weird brown stuff that looks like hair. And it has a little shape to it. And it was called the Super Pet Forge Fill, and I got it for $1.49. Really cheap. This toy I got at Walmart. It has gold straws and these little coconut looking things. And this was $4. And it has these little ropes in. But it's a really big toy. I would use this for my Quakers. And then I got this at PetSmart. Sorry for the noise, it's my sister. This is made out of 100% natural materials. Like that's a corn cob, oyster shells. I don't know what kind of rub that is, like twine or something. Twin, but it's a really big one. You can see the hook is actually made out of coconut husk. A really neat toy. So all together, I didn't get a lot, but you know, it's enough to suffice for now. And now I'm going to show you how I make my perches. This is a small tabletop perch, and this is my large tabletop perch, which I just created. You kind of have to have fun with it. Like, these are around 12-inch PVC pipes around that. And this big one, it already has 90-inch elbows. I just put some sandpaper on it, gravel paper. And then it's over there in the corner, it's the Living World. I got it at PetSmart. And you can see I have this is 1/2-inch PVC pipe. And I have two 90-degree elbows on here. And that's about like 14, 15 inches. And these are 12-inch. So I have two 12-inch. And then you'll need 6 elbows, but for the rest of the part you only need 4. 2 T's, and this is all 1/2-inch, and then 4 little, these are 3 inches, 3 to 4 inches. Okay, so I start by putting these long ones. I have to make it one tight. Okay. For the bad audio. hot glue. Okay, then you're going to get your keys, and you're going to put them on. The keys will be facing you. So right at the, push it down real good. So at this point, it's rocking, and to prevent it from rocking, you get your foil pieces, and you're going to put them in the holes. This wouldn't be so hard if I need to stand. I'm sorry for the bad audio. That camera phone need to upgrade. So a lot of people said to, put some end caps, but they ran out of end caps at the store. So I had a bunch of these left over from my last bird project. So they kind of make stable little legs. Like that. And I've done all my designs so far. On all of my bird perches, even for the ones in the bathtub. I just put some rubber mat stuff on the bottom. And then you have a perch that is not wobbly at all. With a little modification, and this is my very first perch that I made. My next one is upgraded. It's a lot bigger than my first perch. The legs are about they're about 17 inches, 16, 17 inches, and these are about 6 inches, all the legs. The only difference is I found these. We found these in the basement. There are these little foil things that you use for mixing stuff in auto parts, stuff like that. And I did do the same thing by gluing the sandpaper, whatever you want to call it. And all I did was I got a sheet of sandpaper, and I'm going to fix it. The sheet of sandpaper underneath when you're eating or when you're pooping or whatever. It'll go off here. And these were for the seeds. The only change I made is instead of using 90-degree elbows, you use the half-inch tees. And I folded it on the inside and glued it with hot glue, since as long as they won't eat it, it's okay. And you can see one of the improvements. I'm not going to use, we bought a really big cage, and we're not going to use this on the cage. We're going to use the K-Cob, I think that's what it's called, from Perches. But yeah, got a couple of toys and some new bird perch ideas. Thank you for watching.